welcome to my class, that is Pandey Praveen class. In the previous class we were dealing about image formation by a concave mirror for different position of object which obeys laws of reflection, and we had seen how image are formed. In today's class let us draw a table for the same thing. Okay, so I have drawn a ready-made table for you so that my videos are small. Please subscribe my channel and please share with your friends. Need your support. Unless your support I can do nothing. So please do support me. I just need your helping hand. Okay, if at all you see this table, the first column consists of position of object, second position of image, third size of image, and the last one nature of image. Okay, so it deals about if my object is somewhere where my image would be formed, how would my size of image would be and what would be my nature of image. So the first one, at infinity, it means that if my object is at infinity, for example, see, sun is at infinity. We are assuming here sun to be at infinity, the distance between us and sun to be infinite. So we are just assuming it. Okay, now since we know the distance between earth and sun, that is okay, but since we are assuming it to be at infinite position. Okay, so if at all my position of object, if my position of object is at infinity, then my position of image would be at focus. So remember shortcut like if. Remember shortcut if. If means what? If my object is at infinity, my image would be at focus. If, then size of image would be highly diminished, point size very small, but nature of image would be real and inverted. If at all you see my table, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, out of these 6 columns, first 5 are the same. So real and inverted. The nature of image is real and inverted for all except the last one, that is when my object is between P and F. So I am not going to say you again nature of image, remember it, except the last one. So first shortcut is if my object is at infinity, my image would be at focus and would be point size. Next, beyond C, when my object is beyond C, then where would my image will be? Between C and F. So you can remember it as BFC. See, the same you will get it again, BFC. After B we'll have C, A, B, C. So B and C, between you will have F. So BFC. Size of image would be diminished. Nature of image, what? Real and inverted. Next. Now see, at C means what? When my object is at C, my image would be at C. Size of image would be same size, means CC, just carbon copy. Remember it as CC, means what? Carbon copy. As the object, so the image. Jaisa Raja, Vaisa Praja. Do you remember it? As the king, so the people. So CC. Size would be same, image would be at C, object is at C. Till now 3 shortcut. First one F, BFC, CC. Any doubt till now? CC, BFC, if. Even in the night you should be able to say the shortcut. If at all someone asks you what is if means what? When the object position is at infinite, then image would be at F. Next, between C and F. Means what? When my object is between C and F. Between C and F. Then my object would be at C. Object would be at C. See here. Remember it at C, F, C. CFC. In the previous one, you had seen BFC. 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 Now what we have? CFC. Okay, CFC. Please subscribe my channel and you can take screenshot of it. So CFC, BFC, CFC. Please don't forget it's BFC then CFC. First we have big letter, then we have C letter. So 1, 2. This is for 2. This is only 1. So if there is only 1 beyond, okay, remember, don't forget. Between F and C. Okay now. Next. See, shortcuts are nothing, man. Just we should try to create it. Okay na? You may create a better shortcut than me. So just try to remember it. Next. When object is at focus. When object is at focus, my image would be at infinity. Infinity. If at all you see the first one, if, here is just ulta of if. If you see first one, if means what? When my object is at infinity, image is at focus. When object infinity, image focus. But similarly, when object focus, image infinity. So both resemble same. If, this also remember as if. Remember as if. Okay, so let's go rewind it, what you have done. First one, if, object infinity, image focus. Second, beyond C, BFC. See, beyond C, so I have taken B. Okay, beyond C, BFC. At C, CC, carbon copy. Next, between C and F, CFC. At focus, infinity, IF. Till here, nature of image is real and inverted. Real and inverted. See the last one. Whenever the object is between P and F, means what? P stands for